In this episode of NCAP TV, we're going to talk about VLM, very low moisture cleaning. Stick around to find out how VLM cleaning can have a positive impact in your carpet cleaning business. So what is VLM cleaning, very low moisture cleaning? Well, there are a number of different approaches that you can take to VLM cleaning, whether you're cleaning with bonnets, cylindrical brush machines, orbital machines, encapsulation cleaning, powdered cleaning. There's just a whole variety of different ways that VLM cleaning is being done today. In fact, it's becoming increasingly popular, especially since good quality encapsulation products have hit the market. So how can VLM cleaning impact your business in a beneficial way? That's what we're going to run through now. To start with, when we think about VLM cleaning, the most obvious thing is we're going to use less moisture. Using less moisture to clean carpet has some excellent benefits. First of all, we think about water. Using less water, well, that makes sense. It's a natural resource. We don't want to waste it. There's a big contrast between what we would use with hot water extraction, for example, truck mount cleaning, the volume of water used, comparative to what we would use with low moisture methods. So there's an advantage here. We're going to use less water. We're thinking of taking clean drinking water and turning it into a waste product. Using VLM makes sense. It's less of an impact on the environment. However, there are also practical benefits in our business specifically that you're going to see on the carpet. For example, how much water does it really take to clean synthetic fiber? Most carpet is synthetic fiber. The soil releases fairly easily typically. So do we need to gush gallons and gallons of water through that, or could we clean it with less moisture? We're finding in many cases VLM cleaning gets the job done very, very adequately. Less is better when it comes to the amount of water that we're using to clean carpets. When we think about VLM cleaning, one of the things that really stands out is simplicity. It is a super simple system to put together, regardless of which mode of carpet cleaning you're going to use as a VLM method. When we contrast that with truck mount cleaning, for example, truck mount's a complicated baby. To understand how to work a truck mount, to maintain it and run it properly, even how to push a wand properly, how to apply pre-spray and work with a different chemistry. There's a lot more moving pieces, clearly, on the truck mount hot water extraction side, for example, than VLM cleaning. It's much simpler, easier. So for example, if you need to set up a new technician, a VLM system will enable you to get that technician trained and out there in the field making money for you in a very simple way. Also, there's a much lower cost. Obviously, when we think about VLM versus hot water extraction, the cost of you as a business owner running a VLM system is going to be considerably lower. The other advantage is we're setting up maintenance programs using low moisture methods typically. Setting up a maintenance program will enable you to provide consistent, good looking carpet to your customers. You may still periodically put in some hot water extraction, carpet cleaning periodically. You be the judge of that. The way to do that is to simply look down to the backing of the carpet and really examine the condition of the carpet. And if you see that the carpet does need to be flushed out, by all means bring in hot water extraction. But if you've got a good maintenance program with VLM, you might find, as many do, that there's very little need for hot water extraction. One of the key benefits to VLM methods is its problem-solving capability. With hot water extraction, a common condition is what's called wicking. We apply our pre-spray, which is typically has a little bit of pH. It has a lot of components to try to loosen the soil, chemical components, and some of that can leave a residue. It also causes a wicking problem. So in other words, what's down at the base of the fiber wicks up during the drying process. With low moisture cleanings, particularly when we're working with a product like Release It, wicking can be eliminated. We're not going to soak down to the base of the carpet fiber where there might be a problem that could wick up, and we're using detergents that actually prevent wicking. There's also a built-in soil retardant right in the formula, so it's going to help the carpet to stay clean longer. So there's a number of benefits, problem-solving benefits that we can bring to our customer when we're using VLM methods. We don't have those same benefits on the hot water extraction side. Now, hot water extraction, don't get me wrong, hot water extraction is great for flushing a carpet. There's no better way to flush a carpet than hot water extraction. If you really need to move the greatest content of soil out of the carpet in one shot, hot water extraction is clearly the best way to do it. However, for maintaining a carpet or just taking good care of a carpet, or a carpet that's moderately soiled, not heavily soiled or trashed, you can do some pretty remarkable cleaning using a good VLM system. Now, if you're thinking of starting a business startup, a VLM machine, a Cymex machine, a Vibe machine, we can get you set up with a VLM piece of equipment for under $3,500 typically, or right in that range. If you want to add an extractor, our truck port extractor, seriously high performance portable extractor, that'll set you back an extra $3,000. So for $6,500 you'd have everything. If you're just going to go VLM only, you can do it for about $3,500. But what if you're already a carpet cleaner? You have an existing hot water extraction business. Adding more VLM will simplify your day-to-day operation, make your business more profitable, because again, the simplicity, the ability to just change your dimension of cleaning, it's something to seriously consider, especially when we think about the shortage of employees right now. They're referring to the time that we're in as the Great Resignation. People aren't coming back to work after COVID. So finding ways to utilize employees to get volumes of carpet cleaning done. A typical good encapsulation system can clean 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour with a technician that's been simply trained. What we're talking about here is the way to keep your business running smoothly, even in this changing economy. VLM can very nicely help you with that part of your business. What it all comes down to, though, in the end, is the end result. How does the carpet look? The thing with VLM cleaning is we've eliminated problems such as wicking, recurring spills. Our carpet is going to stay clean longer between cleanings because of the polymeric detergent that we're working with Release It. We're going to be able to get the carpet back in service very quickly. We can put together a package for our customer that's affordable so that they can afford to keep their carpets looking good. Very quickly you can see the benefits that come from VLM cleaning for your customer. If it's good for your customer, ultimately it's good for you, the business owner, as well. So hopefully this idea of VLM cleaning has got your wheels turning, how you can put VLM in or expand VLM in your existing business. VLM can really open doors for you, and hopefully these thoughts, these ideas that we've talked about will help you to max your end cap. That's what we're all about here at Excellent Supply. We want to help you be efficient and effective in your carpet cleaning business. I'm going to put links to the items below that will help you to set up a VLM carpet cleaning business, so check that out as well. And also, if you like what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share your comments below how VLM has impacted your business. We appreciate it when you do that as well. Until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.